Ugh, that smell is desagradable. Hi everyone, the word of the day is desagradable. Desagradable. This means unpleasant. Desagradable works with feminine and masculine nouns. The plural form is desagradables. Desagradables. Now let's see a few examples. Ugh, ese olor es desagradable. Ugh, ese olor es desagradable. ¡Qué persona tan desagradable! ¡Qué persona tan desagradable! Tuve una charla desagradable con mi novio. Tuve una charla desagradable con mi novio. Las personas que hablan fuerte son desagradables. Las personas que hablan fuerte son desagradables. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to leave me more examples down below or any questions about this topic. I always love to read your comments. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!